This is ELK 513 with hot Nutella, white chocolate, and Oreo. And I'm mixing it again. I have another food. It's from Salad Stop. It's dark chocolate cookie. Macadamia cookie. I love cookies now. Salad. So I got another sonny. Okay, let's unbox it. It's a different series kasi I'm planning to buy one from every series now. This one is from H Family Series. Sana hindi si Robbie the Rabbit makuha ko. I want to get either, it's all cute naman eh, but I want this one or the pink one. What's your bet na makuha ko? The pink one. Pink one din daw kay mommy. As long as it's not the rabbit, I'm good. My mom left me, so wait natin siya bago pag-open. Kasi it's nakakaya. Paano na ganito? It's not Robbie the Rabbit, so I'm good na. I waited for you before I open.
I wish.
It's cute.
That's your bet?
It's either the pink one or this one.
Okay.
It's cute.
Congratulations.
I got it again. I got what I want again. May damit na siya.
Ay, ang cute ito. Sorry.
Look, it's so cute. Tapos yung, ano pa, the hat, may mga, it's like a straw hat talaga. Kasi, I know, may mga spaces pa. Then, there's a tail, and there's a bimpo. It's a farmer. It's cute. I saw this one sa TikTok.
Gusto ba yan?
It's cute. Ito na lang pala.
Or dumiretso lang tayo nun. Tapos sabi niya, nasa sarap. Ayan.
This is the toasted shalom bao that we saw earlier. So, I'm gonna try it. It's yummy naman. Medyo dry lang. Spicy. Blood test ako. Even yung hair ko may yellow. I feel it. Di na. Pero it's ano lang. My old. Freaking box. I like chicken lollipop. Ano kaya nilagay natin? Eating na, and I'm gonna retouch. They have this, the new plumping lip gloss from smiski. Looks like this. Let's see if mapaplump niya ang lips. It feels like yung Laneige lip balm. Smells like it. Parang may few toast pala siya. But I'm not sure if lumabas lang. Ano lang lumabas lang? Let's see.
Okay, behind the design.
You know naman, the vlogger in me. Hello, Taylor! Pinagtatawanan na ako ni Rita. Alam niyo bang last na nakita kami grade 11 pa kami. Tapos ngayon graduating na kami sa college. Taga dito lang kami sa Ta. Magkalapit din kami ng bahay sa Laguna. Ano ba?
Sobrang kumayan.
Ayun na, nakita na kami. Yung event organizer namin, sobrang busy. As in, kanina pa siya dyan. Okay, so it's just me today and gusto ko lang mag-grant. Pumunta akong school para magbayad ng application to graduate kasi nga graduating na kami finally. And dapat may tatanong ako about sa records ko sa school kasi may isang subject na hindi pa rin naka-credit. Nag-email na ako ng isang araw. Tapos ayun, nakapila ako kanina. Hindi ko kasi nakita nag-email back pala. Tapos ayun, hindi pa rin siya naka-credit. So medyo nasa-stress ako. I'm a stressed college girly right now. And ayun, parang 1 minute lang ako nagbayad. Tapos problema ko lang talaga kung isang subject ko. Tingnan nyo, may tao pa na doon. It's my first time trying matcha mama and it's really good. I like it. Worth the try. Then we tried the matcha ice cream sa Tokyo Matcha. Although it's 160, 210,
205.
it's 205.
150 says price list. Then when you're gonna pay 205 because of the service charge.
It's yummy, but it's mahal. I bought the chocolate. Ano to? Frozen cocoa shake. It's bitter, but it's yummy. This is my favorite burger. everything. The Yao Yao at One Ayala is unboxing.
Tapos happy ako.
This is smiski exercising edition. So cute. I wanted to buy smiski pero lagi Sunny Angel yung binibili ko kasi mas lamang siya for me. My love for Sunny Angel. Pero kanina kasi vegetable Sunny Angel na lang and I don't like it. I'm so excited. What do you think? Ito gusto ko yung nagsistretch. Oh my! I broke the box. We're at Din Tai Fung, by the way. Oh my god. Parang nakatayo. Ay, feeling ko yun siya. Oh! It's nice. Like that. Nag-yoga. It's glow in the dark. I wanted this one pa naman. But I got this one. It's okay. Tayong ganito dati na ayaw ko. Remember that?
Yun, gusto ko yun.
Mama ako. I think it's brown sugar. Carnival. Ba't ang alat?
Hindi natin sinasabi.
I'm scared. Oh, it's a sausage. Sausage. The cheese? It's okay naman. Sarap.
Sarap, no?
I don't like this gulay. Kasi ang tagal kainin. Oh no. Gas.
Bawal daw kayong pakainin eh. Mag-model na lang kayo ha. This is the hills